How to add upsell in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Then go to online store. Here you can see edit theme. Click it here. After that, click on app embeds. Embed the app and then click on save. Go back to the app and then click on create offer. I am setting for product page. Click on select this placement type. Here you can see different upsell offers. You can select cross sell as you can see here. You can select volume discount, single, double, buy X, get Y. You can also select frequently bought together. You can also select product add-on. You can select it according to your requirements. Here you can edit this text. This is only visible for you. Test upsell. Here you can change the title. Here you can add a badge as well. Here you can change the button text as well. If you want to add a countdown timer, you can also add it. Then continue to offer. Here you can select for all products, for specific products or products in the specific collection. If you want for specific products, click it here. And here you can select the product. Click on select. Here you can select the offer, automated recommendations or for specific products. Then continue to design. Here you can select the layout, stacked or carousel. Here you can select the template. You can customize it according to your requirements as well. Then click on placement and then click on publish. The upsell is now showing. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.